Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha states that the sister-in-law of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Hazrat Habiba, Jahesh's daughter, who was the wife of Hazrat Abdul Rahman bin Auf radiyallahu anhu, had been suffering from continuous flow of blood, non-menstrual bleeding, for 7 years, asked Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam about it. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon said, "It is not a case of menses, but it is blood which spurts from a vein. You should perform the prayer after taking a bath." Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha says that Hazrat Habiba radiyallahu anha would take a bath sitting in a receptacle in the home of her sister Hazrat Zainab, Jay's daughter, and even the redness of blood would surface. Ibn Shihab reported this hadith from Abu Bakr. He whereupon said, "May Allah Jalla Jalaluhu show His mercy to Hind. Would that she had heard this verdict by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, she would weep over this point, that she would not perform the prayers in this condition." Sahih Muslim, Hadith number 754.